YouTube, hey, so, I don't know the words to Katy Perry's Firework, but I'm going to sing a little snippet of it, and please forgive me if I skip a couple of verses or words or lines or scripts or anything, however you Americans call it. Okay, ready? Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin and like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried in? They feel and scream, but no one seems to hear it. Baby, your firework, come and show what